Wow, that's her! Mira! Mira, I love you! What's that? Another one! Noe! Hi! I'm going to die of happiness! Where's Rumi? Where is she now? Someone's ringing. I'm sick! I lost my voice! That's bad! Sorry! Can I have your autograph? I'm your biggest fan! I love you! Find my poster! Yes, of course! Oh! That marker doesn't work! I'm sorry! It can't be! I need a second! I'll be right back! Jill! Seriously? Let's fight, ladies! Fight you? Okay, let's play for who gets to beat you up. I'll triple my strength. Well, what do you say now, ladies?
Too big for a small town sky, running like the clock, can't take my time. Crown on my head, but I earned this climb. We don't fall back, no, we don't rewind. Every move I beat in the sound, every shout a wave that rebounds. Stand up, we on the ground. We're the glow, unstoppable, climbing higher, higher, feel the fire, fire. We're the glow, unstoppable, catch the vibe, yeah, we're in control.
Gotcha! Now you are mine! It's done! And who is this? Autograph? Where is everyone? Have you seen Mira and Zoe? Maybe it's my glasses. I need to wipe them. I have an idea. Guys, you look kind of dark. I'll change your style. Perfect! This is what we needed. Deal with her. Here you are. I knew you were going to wait for me. Find my poster. Of course. What? What a loser. Look at yourself. Total flop. I have a plan. A microphone in my hand, and our ratings will flop like we never debuted. Wonderful! Hey fan, do you want to become a K-pop idol? We have a place for you. Me? Become Rumi? This is my dream! Here, this is your makeover plan. Thank you very much, girl. I won't let you down. Go already. So many different kinds of hair. Oh no! This is a robbery! I need to stop him! Harry, hit it! What? What's the issue? I can't see anything! Help! Ouch! This is your money! Thank you very much! How can I thank you? Me? I just need one wig! Say less! Relax and enjoy! What? No! This is not the same at all! No! No, that's not right! Ouch! No! I need a wig like this! Wait a minute! That's right! I know who has a wig like that! Is this it? Yes! This one is perfect! I'm bringing it over! That's the perfect hair! You helped me a lot! Bye! Bye! Lost pigeon? What a nightmare! You are going to the game! We have a shortage of participants! This is your place! Green light! Red light! I can't see! What's going on? Everything is Hurry! Guys, the doll can't see! Let's run! Yes! We won! What's going on? I can't see anything! What are you doing here? All the players have escaped! Who is saying this? Don't you dare touch me! I'll fire you if you don't fix your eyes! Do you understand me? I hate robots! Poor thing! He's crying so hard! What happened to you? I can't see anything! Wait, I'm sure this can be fixed somehow! I just need the instructions! Here they are! We'll fix you now! Glasses! They will quickly improve your eyesight! I see everything! High five! Aha! Go! Green light, red light, movement detected! Oh no! Game over! Hey, thank you very much! How can I help you? Actually, I have one request! I need an outfit like this! Understood! Let's see what we have here. Here! Leftover from a previous participant! It's perfect! Here! It's yours! Wow! Thank you very much! That's my size! Enjoy! Thank you very much! Bye-bye! Bye! Stop! Wrong way! Wait! What? I'll give you laser vision correction! Wow! I can see everything without glasses! Thank you, doll! What a nightmare! Stop this auditory torture! It's impossible to listen to! My string! Darn it! What a relief! Noodles for my boo! Poor Wednesday! How can I help her? I need to replace the swings with something else! I have an idea! I'll borrow your spaghetti while you're busy! Excuse me! This spaghetti will make the perfect string! What? You'll see! Wheat sounds perfect! It worked! You can play again! No! That horrible sound again! The whole date is ruined! Great! I made 2 more people suffer! How can I thank you? I really need food like this! Okay, here! Thank you very much! You really helped me out a lot! Take these down! Girls! Well, what do you think? I'm ready to perform! Seriously? Pathetic! Such boys are the new K-pop idols! Look at yourself in the mirror! With all those pimples! You won't even be allowed on stage! I guess I didn't do our skincare! Have you seen our weapons? Where's yours? Here's your perfect weapon! A mop! You're right, girl! I'll fix it! Let's play, honey! See if you can hit this! I'm ready! Ballerina Cappuccino! Me, me, me! Me, 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 me! Oops! Hurry! Let's run! Ballerina Cappuccino! What's wrong? Oh no! A broken cup! Poor thing! Sit down! Let me help you! Now I'm going to patch up your crack! I have a better idea! We just need more chewing gum! Chew it up! What are you doing? Trust me! The material is ready! Now I just have to soak it! What are you up to? I'm making you a new cup! Not bad! Ah! Almost done! Firing it up! Oh gosh! What a mess! Oh, how cute! Done! But it's too small! You're right! Wait! I'll glue it! I have a pump! It worked! Here's the perfect size right for your head! Let's try it on! Thank you very much! Please, I was happy to help. How can I thank you? Actually, I need help with makeup and getting rid of acne. Yes, I see. I'll do your makeup. Wow! Now let's do your makeup. Let's add shine. Beautiful! Thank you very much. You made me gorgeous. Bye! Laboo! I'll buy myself one. Oh no! The money ran out. And if you hit it well, it worked. What is this? Baby boo-boo? I wanted a real Laboo. Baby boo-boo! This is my dream. A real live Laboo? Finally, I got baby boo-boo. Thank you very much. I love you, Laboo. You helped me a lot. Let me help you. I have an idea. I need a sword. Great, you got it. Wow, it's so cool. Thanks. What? Thank you! I get it! Your braces are bothering you! My teeth! Thank you! Happy to help, sweetie! Thank you, Laboo! Bye! Good luck! Hit it, honey! Just not like last time! Yes, I'm ready! What's going on here? Ah!
Huh?
Oops! I'm sorry! We didn't mean to! What? There's someone inside! Oh! Jigglypuff! Thank you for freeing me! What a sweet Pokemon! Hello! And you! Don't even think about coming over here! Or this is what will happen to you! She broke it! Let's run, dear! Bravo, Annie! How can I thank you? I have one request! I need to learn how to sing! You've come to the right place! Sing something! Jigglypuff! Jigglypuff! Enough! Let's see what I can do! Wow! Light it up, Star!
Turn it up, let the whole world know. No fear, no doubt, we're breaking the line. Step to the beat, it's our time to shine. We're the thunder, you cannot run. We're the lightning under the sun.
Thank you, Jigglypuff! You taught me to sing!
Shine on me, shine on me.
What? Is that her? I'm ready to go on stage, girls! Well, what do you say? Are we going to the concert or what? Oh, let's have a snack first. Look what I've got! Go for some noodles! What is it? Yummy! Tastes so good! Ew! Disgusting! What? Are you sure you were from Huntrix? Who are you really? What? There's only one superstar here! Hello! Jinyu! Wow! I've got you! Don't fall, baby! I've been looking for a girl like you! Don't even think about it! What? Hello! We're not done with you! The real Huntrix! Hello, girls!
Watch me now.
Saja boys! Get out! Girls! I'm with you now! Wow! You are in the group! It's time for us to go to the concert! Huntrix! Come on, girls! Hi, everyone! Is this the audition line? For real? Look at him! A typical nerd wants to become a superstar! Who is this? Hi, boys! You are the doll of my dreams! It's her! Can I have your autograph? He's creepy. Let's put him back in his place. Watch your shoelaces, loser! My love is so close! I'm coming to you! Slow down! Great job! I hit my knees! My little fan! I'll sign your card! Ouch! Wow! Her autograph! Thank you! I love you so much! Miss Young-hee, they are already waiting for you! Hurry! She went inside! Where is she? I don't see her! Wow! This is chaos! Stop it! Only the doll who gets 100% similarity will enter! I'm first! Let me in! Let's go together! Resemblance 200%! Of course! Okay, you can go in! Stay calm, boys! What are you waiting for? Go to the scanner! I'm already running! Resemblance 0%! Bad luck, buddy! I'll still go through! Stop! No! You are not going anywhere! Let me go! I need to get inside! Cool down, bud! Relax! Come on! Get out of here! I don't see how! Oh! Hello! Why are you sad? What happened? The scanner won't let me through! I really want to be a Squid Game doll! Don't cry! I can help you! I have a guide for you! I want it! Not so fast! Hey, first! Take my money! My dream is going to come true!
Bye.
Where should I go? Where do I start? What should I do? Uh-oh!